wants to bet mine will explode?
What? J Money with the rocket. About to make it go boom. J Money with the rocket. How far is it gonna go, Jackson?
Probably about 200 feet up in the air.
That's it?
Yeah, probably.
Alright.
Should go 300-400 feet. Whether it's, you know what, with a wind like this, it's probably good the parachutes aren't deploying.
They go pretty far. They go in middle school.
Yeah, they float like a long way.
Oh, well, my parachute's gonna deploy now because I fixed it, so that's annoying. Should deploy, honestly. Alright, we got. You find your rocket?
Yeah, I put it in the classroom.
You put it in the trash?
No.
Oh, in the classroom.
J Money with the rocket over there. It's like this phone has shit residues on it.
Whose phone is this?
What do you do to my
J
phone?
Money.
You snap guys, watch out. You open Milo snap that snapper bag.
It was already open.
Can I throw the football at the rocket?
No.
So good.
Okay, you guys ready?
Let's
How
go,
fast
Jackson.
do you think those things go when they get up to speed? Oh, Taco Bell. Oh, that's on the roof. That's gone, bro.
You go, J Money.
You ain't getting that thing. It's floating.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I had no idea. Okay, I see it. I see it. See it there. That is a massive boy. No, it's coming. Oh god. It's right there, I think. I can't see. Oh my god, it's like on the other side of school. I think it's on the other side of school.